Welcome to the Countertop Manufacturing Marketing Benchmarks for 2026. Powered by CUFinder, this report breaks down the digital marketing metrics that matter most for countertop manufacturing professionals worldwide. Device distribution shows mobile at 52.5%, desktop at 52.5%, and tablet at 4%. Mobile optimization is essential for reaching your audience effectively in this industry. For engagement, average session duration is 15 minutes with 3.8 pages per session. The bounce rate average is 48%. Traffic sources reveal organic search drives 52.5% of all traffic. Direct traffic accounts for 30%. Paid search brings 19.5%, and social contributes 1.45%. For pay-per-click, Google Ads CPC averages $3.85. Facebook ads cost $1.45 per click. The average cost per acquisition is $88. Conversion rates show an overall rate of 2.9%. Retention metrics show a 78% customer retention rate. On social media, LinkedIn leads at 1.9% engagement. Instagram follows at 1.45%. TikTok is at 0%. Email marketing shows an average open rate of 23.5%. Click-through rate is 4.1%. Key takeaways for countertop manufacturing. Mobile traffic at 52.5% makes mobile first essential. LinkedIn leads social engagement at 1.9%. Email open rates of 23.5% show strong audience engagement. And organic search drives 52.5% of all traffic. Thank you for exploring the Countertop Manufacturing Benchmarks 2026. For more data-driven insights and to find your customers faster, visit CUFinder at CUFinder.io.